total of 200,000 pesos. Yan po ay handog sa atin ng pamilya ni Mayor Mapper Alvarez. Ma'am Shirley, maraming salamat po.
Ito na, itaas ang bola. Simula na ang bakbakan. Ito na, unang pesto para sa Calamba, Laguna. Quinto, Villegas. Pinasa kay Hinay Gallardo. Got it! 3! Quinto. Oh, good. Masyado malakas. Hinay. Kick out. Bounce pass. What a shot for Guillaume. Automatic inbound para sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Guillaume. Kick out. Guillaume. Got it! Brother to brother. Ramilo for 3. Got it! Palitan na 3 points sa magkabilang kupunan. Sira agad ang ating net. Eto na. Orenday. Got it! Huwag kang sasablay at delikado. Villegas. There's a whistle. There's a whistle. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Automatic inbound para sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Guillaume. To shoot. There's a whistle. Put on the line. Put on the line. Automatic inbound para sa Calamba, Laguna. Quinto. Ito si Quinto. Bah, talaga naman. Nabitin pa. And a foul on jersey number 11. Enriquez. First personal. First team foul. 1 point. Bawal ang sumayad sa ring ang mga tira, ha? Okay, Lastro. He gets the bounce. 1 point lead, Calamba, Laguna. 8-7. Enriquez. Baseline. Guillaume fakes. To Guillaume. Guillaume to Guillaume.
Counted. Traveling counted.
Ito na, dumidiskarte ang Calamba, Laguna. Ramilo. Hinay. No! Rebound. Ito, tumatakbo ang Pagbilao, Quezon. Pericas. Guillaume to Guillaume. 11-8 official score. Ramilo. Hinay. No good. Battle for the board. Pericas. But there's a whistle and a foul on jersey number 1, Quinto. First personal, first team foul. Mag-i-inbound si Orenday. Pinasa kay Mr. Enriquez. Pericas. Orenday. 14 to shoot. Guillaume to Guillaume. No! Inapos. Gallardo. Ramilo for 3. Not this time. Rebound Orenday. Tumatakbo si Orenday para sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Good block for the putback is good. Timeout. Calamba, Laguna. Villegas. But there's a whistle. It's an offensive foul on jersey number 01, Villegas. First personal. Substitution, Villegas out. Coming in is Tanegra. 14 to shoot. Tanegra tumatakbo. Baseline. Pericas. Ito si Pericas dumidiskarte para sa Pagbilao Quezon. Giob. Outlet. Quinto. No. Tumatakbo si Pericas. Derecho. Giob. Up, the glass is good. Big rally there on the part of Pagbilao Quezon. Lead balloon to 7. Quinto. Hinay. For 3. No. Tumatakbo ang Pagbilao Quezon. Pericas is on trouble. What a shot for Gio. Ramilo. Tanegra. Pinasa kay Quinto. 14 to shoot. For 3. Awkward. Ang laki. Laki ni Gallardo. Enriquez. Pericas. Enriquez. For 3. No. Rebound. Pagkusadaan sa Ramilo. O si Ramilo ang dumidiskarte sa kalamba. Ramilo. Fakes. Ganda naman ang pasa na yun. Di lang na kompleto. Pericas. There's a whistle. And a foul on jersey number 17. Substitution. Quinto out. Orinday out. First personal. Ang magaling din si Portes. Giob. Hala.
Sobra.
17-10 official score. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Ramilo looking for an open man. Nakita si Gallardo. No good for Gallardo. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Four minutes and 44 for the first period. Pericas. Ito nagtitimon si Pericas. Pinasa kay Portes. Back to Pericas. Enriquez. Kick out. Portes baseline. Bounce pass. What a shot. Gio. Lead balloon to 9. Hinay. Pinasa kay Mr. 14 to shoot. Ramilo. Bomba. What a shot. Gallardo. Portes. Gio. Pass to Gio. Portes. Baseline move. Kick out. Para kay Pericas. Troubling violation. Troubling violation. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Ramilo against Pericas. Spin. Hinay. No good. Napalakas naman. Outlet para kay Pericas. Recovery. Giob. Touchdown. Ramilo. Gallardo. Rebound Enriquez. Giob. It's an offensive foul. It's an offensive foul. Substitution. Enriquez out. Hinay out. The playing coach, Serio. And Nines. Timeout!
So 16.
Ramilo.
Natay.
No good. Gallardo. There's a whistle. And a foul on jersey number 1, Giab. First personal foul, 13th foul. But Akop shooting, take 2. Gallardo. 1 point for Gallardo. Okay, last throw para kay Mr. Gallardo. Nothing for his second free throw. Ito si Pericas sa magtatawid ng bola. Pericas. Nines. Got it! Trigger man niya si Nines. Ramilo. Drive to the baseline. Rebound Nines. Kick out. Got it! What a bang bang! 27-13, lead balloon to 14. The playing coach. Kapos ang layup. Ito tumatakbo si Giab. Unselfish play is good. Collapsing defense on the part of Calamba Laguna. Serio. No good. Nines gets the rebound.
Nice, D.
Substitution. Ramilo out.
Maya.
Pericas out. Orinday and Diso in. 18 to shoot. Nines. Fortes for 3. 1 minute and 44 seconds. Diso. Nako. Miscue. Miscommunication on the part of Calamba Laguna. 1 minute and 37 seconds for the first period. Nines. Rebound of playing coach Serio. Fortes. Touchdown. 31-13 official score. Lead balloon to 18. Canegra against Fortes. Diso. Basket count. And 1. And a foul on jersey number 6, Orinday. First personal. Bonus shot para kay Diso. Three-point play there. 31-16. Lead on to 15. Pagbilao, Quezon. Orinday. Fortes. There's a whistle. It's an offensive foul. It's an offensive foul on Giab. Second Giab. Canegra. The playing coach. Serio. Got it. Dumali na ang veterano. (31-19) official score. Dodose na. What a shot para kay Orinday. 34 seconds. Canegra, the playing coach. Not this time. Gallardo. Galit na galit si Gallardo. Ang laki. No good. Gallardo gets the rebound. May foul and a foul on jersey number 6, Orinday. Orinday out. Penalty. Pagbilao Quezon is on penalty situation. Second personal foul, Orinday. Penalty. One point, Gallardo.
Wala pa tayo sa penalty
Score natin 33-23. Lead down to 10. Pagbilao Quezon. Portes 20 seconds. Dumidiskarte si Portes. Ganda naman ang pasa. Giyab to Giyab. In the nick of time. That's it for the first quarter official score. 35-20. Kalamba. So, second quarter po tayo. Second quarter. Portes. Nines. Basic para kay Giyab. Taniegra. Got it. 3. 37-28. Lead down to 9. Ito na, nagbabalik na ang Calamba Laguna. Giyab to Giyab. Traveling violation. Baka nagsasayaw pa si Giyab. Traveling violation. Manguiat. The playing coach, Sergio. Todo may diskarte. Playing coach, Gallardo. Naku, kapos. Tumatakbo. Eto na. Nawala ang bola kay Giyab. Inbound para sa Calamba Laguna.
Kaya.
Eto na, dumidiskarte si Diso. Diso, center play. Anong gagawin mo? What a pass. What a play. 37-30, lead down to 7. Fakes. Martinez, Portes. Oy, naharas si Portes. Giyab, Nines. No. Rebound, Manguiat. Diso. Ito si Diso. May diskarte si Diso. Anong gagawin ni Diso para sa Calamba Laguna? For 3. No. Nines. Martinez. May foul. And a foul on jersey number 11. Substitution. Ilalabas muna si Mr. Gallardo. Magbabalik si Ramilo on the part of Calamba Laguna. First personal foul. First team foul, but Akop shooting. Take 2. Giyab. One point para kay Mr. Giyab. Okay, last throw. Nothing for a second free throw. 38-30. 8-point lead rather. Diso. Dumidiskarte si Diso. Drive to the baseline. What a shot. Kakaunti na. Ito na ang Calamba Laguna. Martinez. For 3. Rebound Ramilo. O, lakas bumato. Nako, yun lamang. Substitution, Nines out. Magbabalik si Pericas.
Tingnan natin sa replay.
7 minutes and 40 seconds. Pericas. Martinez. Portes. Cross-court pass. Para kay Pericas. Gumaganda ang depensa ng Calamba, Laguna. Nice boxing out. Ito si Ramilo. Ganda naman ang pasa na yun. The veterans. Kick out. Ramilo, 10 to shoot. Got it! 38-35. Iba talaga pag malaki. 7 minutes to play. 40-35, 5 puntos. Sergio. No. Rebound, Gia. Portes. Madudurot ka dito kay Portes, kay Pericas rather. (42-35). Taniegra. Substitution, jersey number 11 ng Calamba, Laguna. Out, coming in is Quinto. Ito si Mr. Pericas ang magtatawid ng bola para sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Martinez, Pericas, Giab, 14 to shoot. War shot for Giab. Sinasamantala ni Giab sa ilalim. Quinto. No good. Battle for the board. Substitution. Sino pong papalitan? Jersey number 7. 13 seconds to shoot para sa Calamba, Laguna. Ramilo for 3. The playing coach, Sergio. Talaga naman. Yun, ang ganda ng pasa. Masama ang tira. For the putback is good.
Para may rebound.
Eto na. The playing coach. Bomba. Battle for the board. What a shot for Giab. 46-37. The playing coach. Timeout, Pagbilao, Quezon. Five minutes and 8 to play. Diso. Lumusot. What a move. Slasher pala yun. 46-39. Lead down to 7. Pericas. Giab. Ito si Quinto ang nagdadala ng bola. Quinto. Ramilo. Naku.
Sige, baba.
Ito si Pericas. Anong gagawin ni Pericas para sa Pagbilao, Quezon? Pinasa kay Giab. Nilabas kay Portes. No! The playing coach. Ramilo. Quinto.
Patay. Wala.
Battle for the board. Inbound para sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Pericas. Orinday. Got it. Pag pwede po, saglit lang po. 49-39, lead balloon to 10. Disto. Easton trouble. Pericas. What a shot. Basic. Para kay Mr. Giob. The playing coach.
Patay.
Got it. Mukha lamang, 50 years old ba? Pericas. Giob. 10 to shoot. Portes. Bumobomba si Portes pero may foul. And a foul on jersey number 17. Second personal foul, Ramilo. Second team foul, but Akop shooting. Take 2, Portes.
Tabi mga senior.
Portes out. Coming in is Nines. (52-42). Lead balloon to 10. 3 minuto. Ramilo. Not this time para kay Ramilo. So si Giob. Pass to Giob. Ganda naman ang pass, ha? Timeout, Calamba, Laguna. Ito si Quinto. Anong gagawin ni Quinto para sa Calamba, Laguna? 40 to shoot. Got it. 3 for Quinto. Giob. Pericas. Giob to Giob. 10 to shoot. But there's a whistle. And a foul on jersey number 1, Quinto. Second personal foul, Quinto. Third team foul. 2 fouls to give before penalty. What a move by Giob. The play coach, Sergio. Pinasa kay Quinto.
Boarding.
Not this time for Quinto. Outlet. Touchdown. Kick out para kay Quinto. Baseline. What a shot by Quinto. 58-47. Pericas. Kick out. Nines. Orinday. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Trigger man yan. Not this time. Gallardo. Ramilo. Ito si Ramilo. Dire-diretso. May foul. And a foul on jersey number 6, Orinday. Third personal. First team foul, but Akop shooting. Take 2, Ramilo. 1 point for Ramilo. Substitution. Sinong papalitan? Orinday out. Coach Sergio out. Enriquez. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Nines. Guillab. Enriquez. Pericas. Baseline. What a shot. 60-49 official score. Lead balloon to 11. Pagbilao Quezon. Ramilo. Bomba. What a shot. Ramilo. Kinakain ang depensa ng Pagbilao Quezon. 35 seconds. Enriquez. Pericas. Bang. 62-51 official score. Palitan lang ng basket. 18 to shoot. What a spin move. Nahilo na. 10. Hinay lang. Guillab. 10. 5. And a foul on jersey number 1, Quinto. Third personal foul, Quinto. Let's wait for the verdict of our official.
Bago mag-decision.
The verdict of our official, basket count. Basket count.
Kung ka lang nag-explain, dapat pareha siya. Kasi hindi naman siya makakapasok kung hindi pa siya nag-dribble dito galing. Bago pinaw. Para magiging collective. Kaya nga nag-collective. Hindi. Bago tsaka sinagin na yung dribble. Trade na po siya. Tayo naman, para naman natin ginagawang Ginagawa mo lagi, RF. Ginagawa nyo naman Ito, lagi nakadepende sa
Bonus shot. 4 seconds remaining, 4 seconds.
Nag-isip pa eh.
4 seconds ha, bonus shot. 3-point play there, 4 seconds.
Tumingin pa.
That's it for the first half. Official score po natin, 65-51 favor on. Okay, third quarter po tayo. Balik action po tayo. Sergio. Hinay. Got it for Hinay. Pericas. Nines. Portes. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Got it. 3. Portes. 68-53 official score. Gallardo. Pericas. Touchdown. 70-53. Up the glass, no good. Tumatapos si Guillab. Guillab dire-diretso. Touchdown. Early timeout, Calamba, Laguna. Ten to shoot. Rebound, Serio. Pinasa kay Mr. Taniegra for 3. Got it! Nabubuhay na ang Calamba, Laguna. 84-62. 5 minutes to play. Bago si Dasop Taniegra. O si Taniegra nagdadala ng bola for 3. Bang! 84-65. Pericas. Anong gagawin ni Pericas para sa Pagbilao, Quezon? 14 to shoot. Giob. Nice boxing out on the part of Calamba, Laguna. Ramilo for 3. At this time, sinong papalitan? Sinong pinalitan noon? Sinong pinalitan mo? Porte. Si Portes. Portes ang pinalitan. Nines. Wait lang ha. Pericas. Ito si Giob.
Supalpal yata.
Tumatapos si Serio. Napataas ang pasa. Three minutes and 55 seconds. Kapus. Eto na. Ramilo.
Nice pass.
Aba talaga naman. Bomba! Bomba! Nginalos na tuloy. Nginalos si Gallardo. What happened?
Nice lang yan.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. The playing coach, Serio. But there's a whistle. And a foul on jersey number 6. One point. Coach Serio. Okay, Lastro. Complete 2 for the playing coach. 84-67. 3 and 20 seconds. Malayo pa to. Nasa third quarter pa lang po tayo. Dumidiskarte si Enriquez. Momentum on the part of Calamba, Laguna. The playing coach. 50 years old. Bumobomba. Giob. Touchdown. Collapsing defense on the part of Calamba, Laguna. Ramilo. Todo may diskarte si Ramilo. Anong gagawin ni Ramilo? Spin. Talaga naman. Outlet. Pericas. Touchdown.
Good.
Ramilo, the playing coach. Behind the back, ganda ng pasa pero may foul. And a foul on jersey number 26, Giob. Papalitan si Mr. Gallardo ni Mr. Hinay. Third personal foul, Gia. Warning for penalty. Next foul ng Pagbilao Quezon will go on penalty.
Banyegs!
The playing coach. Rebound Enriquez. May foul. And a foul on jersey number 20, Hinay. First personal foul, Hinay. First team foul, Calamba, Laguna. One team fouls pa lang ang Calamba, Laguna. Against warning for penalty na po ang Pagbilao Quezon. Pericas. Ito nagkokontrol ng bola si Pericas. Pinasa kay Enriquez. Pinasa kay Giob. Got it for Giob. 91-69. Serio. No good for Serio. Si Giob. Giob for 3. Same spot. Not this time. Rebound by Hinay. Nawala ang bola. Napapunta kay Pericas. Basket count. And 1. And a foul on jersey number 20. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot para kay Pericas. Three-point play there. One and 20 on the game clock. Ramilo. Ito nagtitima si Ramilo. Ramilo. Wala pa rin. Outlet para kay Pericas. What a shot, Pericas. Big rally on the part of Pagbilao Quezon. 55 seconds. Got it. (96-72). Enriquez. Giob. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. What a shot. What a hustle play. 27 seconds remaining. One second differential between shot clock and game clock. The playing coach. No good. Hinay. 3. 5. Double dribble, double dribble. 4 seconds. 4 seconds on the game clock. 4 seconds remaining for the third period. Of course, still there. Touchdown. Kailangan na makabalik ng Calamba, Laguna. Martinez. Nines. Pericas. No good. Oh, there's a whistle. There's a whistle. Who's foul, Mr. Rep? Who's foul? And a foul on jersey number 16. Diso. First personal.
Ano sasabi mo doon? Ganun talaga. Hinila pa babae.
Giyab. Nines. No good. Rebound. The play coach, Sergio.
Go, King!
To si Quinto. Oh, naglock.
Ref. Kanina pa yan eh. Kanina pa. Control
May foul. And a foul on jersey number 11.
Ref, sino na?
Second personal foul. First team foul. $15 to shoot. No good.
Baba!
Pericas. Nagtitimos si Pericas. Pericas control the ladder. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Veinticuatro horas. Substitution. The playing coach out. Number 11 out. Magbabalik si Ramilo at si Hinay on the part of Calamba, Laguna. Quinto. Kapus.
Defense! Awi kayo defense!
Substitution. Sinong papalitan? Martinez coming in is Orinday. To si Giyab. Pinasa kay Orinday ang bola. 15 to shoot. Shot clock winding down. Spin! Wag mong gagawin yan kay Gallardo. Laki ni Gallardo eh. Lumusot! Pinasa sa kalaban. Ito na si Giyab. Pericas. Inbound para sa Calamba. Calamba basketball. 14 seconds to shoot. Hinay. A foul. And a foul on jersey number 1, Nines. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 fouls to give before penalty. 14 to shoot. No good for Quinto. Ball goes to the hands of Giyab. Pericas. Enriquez. Shot clock winding down. 10 to shoot. Oh, still there para sa Calamba, Laguna. Rami Lopez. What a move. $177. 14 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Nines out. Enriquez out. Coming in is Giyab and Portes. Still anybody's ball game. Malayo pa to. Diso against Orinday. 14 to shoot. Quinto. No good for Quinto. Ala Gallardo. Hala. Talaga naman sipag ni Gallardo. Substitution. Quinto out. Magbabalik si Taniegra. Ito ay tatawid ni Pericas. Ito nagtitimon. Pericas. Shot clock winding down. 10 to shoot. Fakes and fires. No. Hinay.
Easy!
19 seconds to execute the play. 19 seconds to shoot. Taniegra. Ramilo pumihit. Kinain ang depensa. Mga pihit screwdriver ni Ramilo. 21 na. Pero ang score natin ay 179-21. Ang oras malayo pa. 6 na minuto, 10 segundo. 14 to shoot. Gumaganda na ang depensa ng Calamba, Laguna. Ito na, Ramilo. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. War shot for Hinay. 181. 11 na puntos. 5 and 30 seconds. Still anybody's ball game. 14 to shoot. Giyab against Hinay. And a foul on jersey number 20. Third personal foul. Second team foul. One point. Okay, last throw para kay Mr. Giyab. Nothing for his second free throw. 101-81. Diso. Anong gagawin ni Diso? 14 to shoot. What a play on the part of Calamba.
Drop, big man, drop!
Orinday against Ramilo. 14 to shoot. Shot clock winding down. 10 to shoot. But there's a whistle and a foul on jersey number 16. Diso. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Wala pa po sa penalty. 2 fouls to give. 14 seconds to execute the play. Para sa Pagbilao, Quezon. Nablangka si Giyab.
Oy! Tumawag ka na tama.
Let's wait for the verdict of our official. Number 7, sportsmanlike foul on Fortes. That is 2 free throw. Ball possession. 3 minutes sa bench. Mr. Fortes, 3 minutes sa bench. Automatic reliever. Makakabalik si Fortes. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining. 1 point. Okay, last throw. Last ball possession po yan. Momentum on the part of Calamba, Laguna. 14 seconds to execute the play para sa Calamba, Laguna. 10. May foul.
Pare.
And a foul on jersey number 1. Number 1, Giyab. Number 1, Giyab. Penalty, penalty. 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 Penalty, penalty. Penalty.
Dua-dua.
Nako, very important free throw missed by Ramilo. Pagbilao Quezon is on penalty situation. Last throw para kay Ramilo.
Laro lang ha. Huwag tinatingnan yan.
1 point. Ay score po natin 101-86. Lead down to 15. Still anybody's ball game. Giyab. Bomba. Ubong kalasa ba? Giyab. Kapus. Momentum on the part of Calamba, Laguna. Recovery para sa Pagbilao Quezon. Pericas. Dalawa pang timeout para sa Calamba. Rebound Gallardo. Diso derecho. And a foul on.
Sub.
Wait lang po ha. Uspal Mr. Rep, jersey number 11. Sino pong papalitan?
Nice na.
Penalty.
Penalty sila, penalty. Magagamit sa oras yun.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Hindi ba 8 yun? Pressure! Hey! Pressure! Defense!
Eto, dumidiskarte si Pericas. Giyab. Biglang migpit ang depensa. Hala. What a shot. Pumatay sunog ni Giyab. 106-88.
Yan!
And a foul on jersey number 13. Second personal foul. Penalty. Ngayon lang gumagana ang opensa ng Calamba, Laguna. Nothing for the first throw.
Easy!
Offline.
Depensa lang yan.
Giyab. 14 to shoot. Rebound Gallardo. Consumute ng dalawang free throw nito kanina. Ramilo.
Yo, shoot!
And a foul on jersey number 26, Giyab. Warning for graduate Giyab. Penalty.
Tagal pa yan.
Kanina pa po nasa penalty situation ang Pagbilao Quezon.
Coach! Hey, pressure ha!
Okay, last throw.
Pare, deny! Hey, deny!
3 minuto. Matagal pa to. Still anybody's ball game.
Uy! Wala pa! Pare, may galit ka! Matagal na! Pare, may galit ka!
5 seconds violation. Ito si Orinday nagdadala ng bola.
Wala naman nagbibilang ah. Oh, bola yun, bola
May
yun.
foul, may foul. And a foul on number 17, Ramilo. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Bola yun, bola.
Technical bench ng Calamba, Laguna. For proper bench decorum. Technical ang bench ng Calamba, Laguna. Wala pa po, wala pa. Okay, warning, bench ng Calamba.
Ano masasabi ng fans?
Okay. 2 free throw para kay Mr. Giob.
Kailan nangyari yung direction technical? Nag-iisip pa yun.
1 point for Giob. 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
Oh, isa pa.
Automatic inbound para sa Calamba, Laguna. Official score po natin 104-89. Serio.
Yun! Boom!
No good.
Shot! Taas!
Rebound para kay Mr. Giob. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Shot clock winding down. Recovery para sa Pagbilao, Quezon. 10. 5 seconds. Tumatakbo ang Calamba, Laguna. Ramilo for 3. Bang bang! 104-92. Orinday. Momentum yan para sa Calamba, Laguna. Ramilo. May foul. And a foul on jersey number 11, Enriquez. Timeout, Calamba, Laguna. Buhay pa ang Calamba, Laguna.
Ano pare? Pagi. Patirahin mo pare.
Set!
Naku, talaga naman.
Oh, gisipin yan!
4 na supply na sa free throw.
Feedback!
Sino, Mr. Fortes? Enriquez out.
Sige lang, pressure lang, pare, pressure lang.
Giob. Pericas. 40 to shoot. Hala. It's an offensive foul. It's an offensive foul. It's an offensive foul. On jersey number 1, Giob. 104-93. 11 puntos. 1 and 13 seconds. Pigs. 10 to shoot. Laki. Eto na. Kakunti na rin ang oras. 55 seconds. Eto na ang momentum para sa Calamba, Laguna. Eto na, Giob. 14 to shoot. He's on trouble. Giob, anong gagawin ni Giob? Naubos ang oras. 10 to shoot. Portes. Eto na, si Portes. 5. No! Eto na, Ramilo. 37 seconds. No! Kung nadali.
Okay lang yun. Foul.
Pericas. Kung nadali yun. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Ay siya, wala pang practice yan. Push!
No good. Ay talaga lamang. Maalat ang dagat. 5.
Nice.
Okay, congratulations Pagbilao Quezon as well as on Calamba, Laguna. Thank you for your big cooperation.
Nice. Wala pang practice yan.